Welcome back to the channel. Let's explore. Don't forget to subscribe.
Windows cannot connect to printer. Fix error 0x0000011B fast. Step 1. Restart your computer and printer. Turn off your computer and printer. Wait for about 30 seconds, then turn them back on. A simple restart often clears temporary connection issues. Step 2. Check the printer connection. Make sure the printer is properly connected. If it's a network printer, confirm that both your computer and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi or network. Step 3. Run Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters and run the Printer Troubleshooter. Windows can automatically detect and fix common printing problems. Step 4. Install the latest Windows updates. Open Settings, a Windows Update and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs related to printer connectivity and improve compatibility. Step 5. Update or reinstall the printer driver. Open Device Manager, find your printer, and update the driver. If that doesn't work, uninstall the printer driver and install the latest version from the printer manufacturer's website. Step 6. Verify printer sharing settings. If you're using a shared printer, make sure file and printer sharing is enabled on the host computer and that the printer is shared correctly. Step 7. Disable RPC privacy. Registry Fix. Error 0x0000011B is often caused by Windows security updates. Open Registry Editor and navigate to. Step 8. Remove and add the printer again. Go to Settings, Bluetooth devices, Printer Scanners, remove the printer, then add it again. This refreshes the printer connection. Step 9. Restart the Print Spooler service. Press Win-R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Print Spooler, right-click it, and choose Restart. This clears stuck print jobs and refreshes printing services. Step 10. Test the printer. Print a test page after completing all the steps. If the printer works normally, the 0x0000011B error has been fixed. If the issue continues, verify the network connection or contact your printer manufacturer support. Thanks for watching.